everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to review and swatch the super affordable lipsticks from NY Babe. NY Babe Creamy Matte Lipstick is exclusively available at purple.com. The cap has a lock mechanism which closes with a click sound. The texture is quite creamy. I can say they are creamy matte and not dry mattes. These lipsticks stay on your lips for about 5 to 6 hours. Some shades leave a beautiful natural looking tint on your lips. I have 5 shades for you guys. Now let's get started with the video. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Until next time, bye.